Hey, I'm Laurel and welcome to a masterpiece. 2134 Ellis Hollow Road is a luxurious oasis. It's been built with the finest materials and has state-of-the-art systems. This Frank Lloyd Wright inspired Praire-style home in Ellis Hollow has had $400,000 of luxury upgrades, including a complete renovation in 2008. Everything has been done. 10 acres of beautiful land with stunning faraway and nearby views, and you'll look forward to the daily sunset show. Frank Lloyd Wright, America's greatest architect, and he designed his Praire-style homes to have horizontal lines, open flowing spaces, walls of glass, natural materials, and most important, the house is married to the land. You can see that 2134 Ellis Hollow Road incorporates all of Wright's organic architecture principles in its design. Let's go back and look at the entry hall. It incorporates his key technique called compression and release. The entry hall has a deliberately lower ceiling, and it suddenly opens up to the great room with its 18-foot ceilings. This dramatic effect changes your whole mood. It nearly takes your breath away. Walls of glass bring in the ever-changing light and views, and living here, you'll always be looking at the outdoors and feeling part of it. This open floor plan has been designed to have separate living areas, and yet it all flows together. Imagine cooking and entertaining in this custom kitchen with this amazing island. You'll really enjoy the openness and the indoor-outdoor feeling of this home. It's just perfect for gatherings of all kinds. Down the hall is an incredible main level primary suite. It has a picture perfect view and the most gorgeous bathroom. You know, the one you've always dreamt of having. There's 2 more bedrooms and another tile bath. On the second floor is a balcony overlooking the great room and a private guest suite. Here, you'll be just 8 minutes to Cornell and close to the Ellis Hollow Nature Preserve and Community Center. You know, there really is no place like 2134 Ellis Hollow Road. It's completely captivating and nearly perfect in every way.